Here is the vehicle. It is a Honda CR-V 21. It's been 4 years old, and I decided to install a dashboard camera, like rear one. Was no problem. Was not problem at all. You see, I put it here. I put it here, and I wire it, and over there. Took this off, and go under here. Was not absolutely problem. Everybody can do it. But what I would like to mention one thing. Here in Dominican Republic, but I purchase power block with car charger with 12 volt, where is lighter, cigarette lighter actually in, and this car having only in like a this kind of lighter inside this elbow of whatever box between driver's seat and passenger seat. And I was very frustrated about where I have to put it. This was my biggest question, and which I didn't understand. You see, but the dashboard is a three. I already installed. It was not at all problem to remove this cover and put it here and connect this rear one. Okay, but I was very curious. I didn't like, maybe like many people, to touch box with how to say this kind of. I didn't like to touch of this box because you need to cut something, and I'm in Dominican Republic. You have to find something. It's very hard to find, hard to return. And the biggest question was how to connect here and wire. Even I was thinking to drill here, but what I found hole here. I found the hole here. Here exists hole. Yeah. You probably, yeah. And you probably can see my finger. But anyway, it's how it is. It's hole here, and I will wire everything with 12 volt cigarette lighter and through this hole. You see, I fish it. I found second piece of wire under the seat, and it's going to go under the seat. You see, and I put in here this cover. You see, nice and sweet. Everything good. And you have extra USB port. You connected your dash cab and dash camera, and all good. If you need, you just very easy to take this off and leave in your box like that. You need back, you connected it, no problem. And it's when you turn off engine, it's automatically camera off. The wire going to be here. You see, you have carpet. I have carpet. This car have a carpet. I will hide it here, and it will go here and up to here, and I will connect to my dashboard camera. Yeah, as you see, camera is here, working perfectly. I tested it like during the 3 days. Wire is very tight actually for this camera, but I fit everything. It is not problem to take off this cap. You just have to press from the side and take off. It's very easy. Yeah, and wire is going here, okay, and going here, and here is a gap. It's going to other side, and here is split for backup camera going this way. Okay, remember passenger side, and also going above. You don't need to remove. It's very easy. It's going around here, from inside definitely, and from here also going this way, as you see, going this way. Yeah, going this way and this way. Yeah, and let me walk for the back. And on the back, I took it from here. I need some fishing tools. What the fishing tools was, I use some plastic to fish it. Okay, and I took this panel. It's also very easy to take off. It's no problem. And wire here. It was around maybe 2 feet extra. I left this wire here, and it's a backup camera, rear backup camera here. Okay. Yeah, and let's walk. I show on the front. Yeah, front camera I used here is split for 2. This is for rear, this way for the rear, this way was down here. Also, it was not difficult to take this panel and this how to say this panel wasn't problem. And you see where is carpet here, if you will pay attention, split for 2 parts. And I wire, as I told you, show under the seat, and it's hole here. Okay, on the bottom exists hole. When I connect it to through this hole, if you see here, I connected it. Yeah, you see it here. I connected 12-volt cigarette lighter here. Okay, and don't bother anybody, not taking any space. It's perfectly working, and turning off on when I start engine, shut off engine, camera is off. Yeah, I'm happy, everybody happy, and I have working windshield cam and rear cam, and I can see left, right, and every around. Yeah, this left, right, you see, this one, it actually you can drive and see yourself, and especially like left, right, you can see your whatever passenger, you can see your yourself, you can see what is going on the front. Yeah, okay, thank you for watching this video.